Welcome this video incorporating living room partition and a great way to divide a long open plan space into smart more interior area. Then can also help to create a scene or special benefit different zone within the room, such as a red note or a home often. We explored the divine type of living room partition and provide some interior of incorporating theme into your home. Type of living room partition. Room divide. Room divide are a popular type of partition can be used you different area within a room, then can in a of style for simple screen of more design, shade and storage. Book shade. Book shade can make give partition if you have a long collect of book and decoration image. Then can help you create a scene of benefit different area within the room while also provide style and display space. Glass partition. Glass partition are a give of create a scene benefit different area within a room while allow natural light for full doors. Then can be flameless or frame and can be more make for various of type of glass.